Good afternoon, everybody. How is everyone? Folks, it's a great day at Trimax Auto. Blue skies, no overcast, vitamin D, another blessed, gorgeous day. Folks, what do we have here? Of course, it's a rare one. It's a Trimax car. 2013 Audi A8L. 4.0 twin turbo Quattro. 4-liter V8. 8-speed Tiptronic transmission with sport and manual shift modes. 19-inch wheels on it. The Audi A8L frame comes as an Audi space frame construction, body and shell. Adaptive air suspension. My gosh, this thing has a lot of stuff. ABS, ESC, dual tilt panoramic roof. Folks, the color is called Glacier White Metallic. In simple terms, I can say it is super light diamond pearl white. There is pearl in the paint. Inside, Audi calls it nougat brown. I call it chocolate brown. This thing comes with the driver assistant package, which is an option when you're buying it new. It's got the adaptive radar cruise control with stop and go. Audi side assist, Audi lane assist, Audi Presense Plus. Front seats are heated, cooled, 22-way controls with massage. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you guys more in a minute. Actually, I might be wrong on the size of the rims. 1 second. Correction, folks. They are 20-inch optional Audi rims. Full weather package. Dual pane glass. It's got the Audi all-weather floor mats all the way around, and it's got the all-weather mats out like that, and the floor mats are in the trunk, and that is if you wanted to secure something on the bed. They hook up, I'm talking about this thing right here, they hook up to the front and to the back, so it keeps it in place. Folks, plenty of power, amazing ride comfort. It's the biggest body that they make. So let's start with the engine. I mean, BOSE premium sound system and everything, xenon headlights, LED lights inside and out. Those are not fog lights, that's for your radar cruise control on both sides. That looks like a fog light, but it is not. This is how they run when they're happy, folks. A 4-liter V8 twin turbo Audi A8 engine, which same engine is available in the Audi S8, Audi, I mean it's optional, Audi 8 S6, you can get that as a 4.0 turbo. I wonder if I can show the pearl. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, this color, Audi calls it Glacier White Metallic. It's like a super light diamond pearl white. All right, so let's start here. Folks, xenon headlights. Look at how many bulbs there are, for God's sake. LEDs all the way around, in the front, in the back, and inside the vehicle. If you guys are okay with this, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. She runs beautiful, fully serviced. We don't sell them without servicing them. So folks, owner's manual is present. Look at that dash, folks. Look at that dash. And if anybody's interested, this car in 2013, 11 years ago, was $96,320 with all the extra options. It's gonna be a lot more affordable than that. There you go, there's your dash. Folks, heated seats, cooled seats, massage seats, I mean, power curtain, everything. This goes in and out, like it slides in when you turn off the car. All your controls for the panel liner and the panel roof. Both of them are tilted right now. Rear mirrors for the rear passengers. Absolutely gorgeous. Folks, the comfort, I rode it for one day and it's just like ridiculous. Yeah, it's not easy to drive something after driving one of these. Heated rear seats. Look at that, man, my dear God. It's just pure class. Insane amount of room in the back. The mirrors I was telling you about. I mean, look at this. For God's sake, how much room is that? You can cross your legs, do whatever you want to do. Rear lights, real wood grain, real suede. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this one. Here's your BOSE sound system, surround sound. I'll go ahead and close this one. Let's go ahead and close the trunk. Sorry. A8L 4-liter twin turbo Quattro. Gorgeous color combination. Don't we wish having 100 of these at the lot? Good luck on that. They don't come like this. Folks, over 100 photos, if not more. We'll be at trimaxauto.com. Point of contact is Justin. Sales, service, finance, whatever question you might have. trimaxauto.com, 757-222-0522. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Blind spot, lane assist, everything. I'll make sure to take a picture of the original Windows sticker so you guys can read more details if you wanted to. But yeah, I will move that stuff. It won't be in the photos. Let's take a look at that insane back seat. Let's zoom out. Wow, look at that room. I will be buying a Gizmo very soon. I've been searching them online and I think I found the one I like. So all this shaking and everything will be gone soon. I hope I am not bothering you guys. All right, folks, I'm gonna go ahead and close this one too. Let's take a look at the whole picture. A8L. Glaze sheer white with chocolate brown, fully serviced, fully loaded. Those massage seats are amazing. I used it. Yes, this is not the Trio, this is the 4.0. Plenty of power. Folks, thank you so much. Thank you for everything. We wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. We've been doing this since 2007. Virginia, Maryland, you guys have been always supportive of us. We appreciate you guys. Any car you purchase from us, you'll be receiving a lifetime discount on parts and labor. As long as you bought it from us and you want to service it with us. There is not much we don't know about these cars. We are a Land Rover Jaguar service facility, so you guys already know that. And European, domestic, Asian, no problem. And plenty of Land Rovers always. They are ready. Just let us know. We love you guys. Thank you so much for everything. You guys have a beautiful day.